Sit down. Emma.
Ready? Emma, you ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
Here you go. There's dirt on her hand. Okay, ready? Whoops. Ready? You ready, Emma?
Okay.
Ready, set, go.
Go.
Go. You get it?
Got it.
Woo! Good girl, Emma. Woo! Ready? On your mark, get set, go, Emma.
Sit back a little bit on the chair. Okay, not too far. That's good. That's good. There you go.
Maybe we should push the chair up.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Where is it, Emma?
Here, come on, sit close. Okay, I'll get it.
Who's going to get it, Emma? Yeah, Poppy get it. Whoa!
Oh, that was a hard throw. Have to get it again, I guess.
Poppy get it again. It's underneath that chair, Poppy, right here.
This one.
Right here. Poppy get it again. Look at Poppy get it. Ooh, what was that? What is that? Wind chimes. Woo! Woo!
Poppy.
Mama.
Let's go to the front.
I told you, Grandma, Poppy get it when we drop it. Woo! Good girl. Woo! Grandma got it. You want to sit back there? Okay. Woo! Ready? On your mark, get set, go. Woo! Good catch. Good catch. Woo! Where is it, Emma? Poppy got it. Oh! Ready? Ready? You what? Really? You want Poppy throw a knuckleball?
Okay.
Poppy knuckleball.
Knuckleball.
It's by Poppy's foot.
There you go.
Knuckleball.
Whoa.
Where'd it go, Emma?
I
You
know.
gonna get down?
You gonna go get it?
You gonna get down?
Did you see it?
Through there. Go on through there. Go through there.
Watch your head, baby.
Good. Here, just pull this out. There, come over this way.
Do you see it, Emma?
Yeah.
Did you find it?
Yeah.
Good girl, Emma.